So I'm going to talk to you about weather manipulation. You know, a lot of theoretical physicists talk about extraterrestrial civilizations and their utilization of Dyson spheres and Dyson swarms. Will say that Earth and humanity are what we call a level 1 civilization. And we're not at level 2 because at level 2 you're able to control your own weather. Here's the thing. We've been controlling weather since the 1950s. Now, the elements that were the precursors to the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency in the early 1950s, after Operation High Jump, for several reasons, got the idea to detonate a hydrogen bomb in the stratosphere directly above the South Pole. This did not happen, thank God. But we started, developing advanced technologies that we also, through Operation Paperclip, jacked from the Germans and the Japanese. The Japanese developed what they thought was a death ray, or experiments with it. And we lumped these together, and the first implementation of weather manipulation for kinetic warfare was back in the mid and late 1960s in full force, when monsoons were created over the Ho Chi Minh Trail during the Vietnam War. There was a lid put on that, just as there was a lid put on MIT's development of artificial intelligence in 1956, which wrote movie scripts. This was to scare the Soviets, but we wanted to keep this away. That was a big boo-boo, a mistake. These chemtrails. Now, if you on Yahoo published an article saying that the ozone layer is closing, that the hole in the ozone layer. This is true, but why would they say this? Well, that's because more and more and more of us are catching on to the fact that chemtrails are real. See, when you spray all of your deodorant and hairspray, what you're really doing is releasing aluminum oxide. Now, this aluminum oxide is being released into our atmosphere to reflect the sunlight back into space. And it's not for a green agenda. It's to legitimize the use of fossil fuel abuse.